Alright, so for my birthday, I got my Canon VIXIA HF R800 camcorder. And right now I'm filming with it. This is the box for it. So that's what it looks like. It's a camcorder. That's what I'm filming with right now. So all the stuff that it has. These micro SD cards. Did a video of me unboxing it yesterday, but I accidentally deleted the video. Yesterday was my birthday. I'm going to go in my right here. See the camera itself. You can see me, and it has a flip screen, so it can be like an infinite mirror thingy. It also has a shutter lens, so you can close it and open it, which I find pretty awesome. So that was my phone. But yeah, it's my camcorder. So yeah, this is recording in 1080p 60 FPS. So it's pretty cool. I'll go ahead and do some outdoor shots. So here's some outdoor shots. That's where the Cool King used to be. Took it out for the season though. It's not that cold today, so I'm not going to be getting defrosts. But, nope, this is the test with it. Here's the zoom. It's variable speed zoom. That I really do like, because you could get those cinematic shots while filming ceiling fans. So and the camera has two mics on the front. Here's my Evergo. So I'll show you what I'm talking about with the cinematic zoom shot. So zoom in on it, and then slowly zoom out. That I really do like. And here's my Canon Power Shot that I got for Christmas 2 years ago. My camcorder makes this thing obsolete because it's better than it in every way. Although this one has farther zoom, the Power Shot. This has 50 times zoom, I think. I think it's 50 times. Which actually makes this one better than my Power Shot, because this one only has 40 times zoom. So if I zoom in on this one, zoom in with this one, see it's 40 times. And this one, if you zoom all the way in with it, yeah, it's 50 times. So it does have more zoom. If it'll, so it does have more zoom than my Power Shot, so it's definitely better. Yeah, it's just a little short video test with my new camera. And for my birthday, here's my GoPro tripod and case. And for my birthday, I got my new phone here. It's Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. This thing also has a really good camera, so you'll see some shots with this every now and then. So cat on the lock screen. So yeah, I figured I'd shoot this video test with my new Canon. You can also take pictures with it. I just now took a picture of the fan. It's a touch screen, and I'll flip it here. This right here takes pictures. So just now took a picture. See the settings. So, yep. Figured I'd do this video of my new Canon VIXIA F8H. Butchered that one hard. My new Canon VIXIA HF800 camcorder. And you probably won't be able to see, but it has a little strap that straps onto the hand there. Here's me. So, yep, thanks for watching, and get ready for more videos with this camera to come. And I'll also make a couple of videos with this. I'll make a video of the Evergo or something. Alright, thanks for watching.